Hello, this is a demo showing airsim working in conjunction with mavros and px4. You'll need a couple of things to enable this demo. First, you'll need to download and build airsim. You can find a guide to this on airsim's official documentation. Second, you will need to download the source of px4 autopilot onto a WSL2 installation. For this demo, we're using a WSL2 installation of Ubuntu 20.04, and your px4 installation should be synced to the v1.12.1 tag. Next, you'll need to download and install mavros in your WSL2 installation. This can be done via a guide on px4's official documentation, and links to all these documentation will be provided in the video description. And then your mavros repo should be synced for the purpose of this demo to the 1.12.1 tag. Next, you will need to go to the guide for enabling px4 with WSL2 and airsim, and in this guide there are settings that you need to copy into your airsim settings. So after following this guide, your settings JSON should look something like this. Next, you'll need to launch airsim. All right, once airsim has launched, you'll need to launch px4 autopilot with a make px4 cdl default none iris command. And you should see log messages in airsim showing a successful connection. Once px4 has connected, then you'll need to launch mavros with a ROS launch mavros command, and you'll need to pass an argument, the FCU URL. For this argument, you'll need to use two different ports. You can find these ports in the output of your px4 console. For this demo, I used the Mavlink onboard ports 14280 and 14030. And you can see those here, 14030, 14280. And you should see console output something like this. All right, now that Mavros is launched, you can now start sending Mavlink commands. So, for example, you can call the Mavros CMD takeoff service. Once that succeeds, you will then need to arm the drone. And sometimes this requires arming twice. All right, we'll issue the command again. Now we see the drone take off. You can also land the drone. You can also send you can use ROS topic to publish to the Mavros set point position topic. And here we'll just be going 2 meters up and 1 meter to the east. 2 meters up and 1 meter to the east. And to issue or to publish messages, you need to be publishing at a certain rate of at least 2 hertz. For this demo, I will publish at a rate of 20 hertz. And you also need to switch to the offboard mode. So to do that, you use the raw service call mavros set mode. And you also need to arm the drone. There you can see it move to a position. You can also update the set point. So here we will move 3 meters west. Or 2 meters north. Another thing you can do is publish to the set point velocity topic. And here you can enter both a linear as well as an angular velocity. Here we'll enable tracing, and you'll see that that sends the drone into a circle. Thank you for watching this demo of airsim connecting to PX4 and Mavros.